That's already clean. Over here, still needs some cleaning. You can tell the difference. Right, look at that, and look at that. Beautiful. I'm gonna clean this up today and then come back tomorrow and seal it all up. Or put the top coat on there, stuff. Give it a little bit of, just a little bit of shine. John's been doing a couple ride-alongs with me. He's gonna have this tile down because I've been having a lot of tile work lately. And so he's getting a lot of practice on it, commercial and residential. Plus he came along with me yesterday and did a ride-along for carpet cleaning and rug cleaning and stuff. All right, so he's starting out in his business and just wants to build some confidence up and have some on-the-job training type of stuff. So I do that, guys, for a price. So, you know, if you're interested in our ride-along, go ahead and email me at greenrhinoservices@gmail.com, and we can talk about what needs to be done to get that going. Okay, so I'm only going to be doing this in the summer time when it's busiest. That way we don't get any, cancellations and stuff in the winter time, and and although this winter for me, guys, was just amazing, record-breaking. Okay, starting from February last year, or actually starting from November last year, all the way to now, I've just been constantly busy. So, yeah. Well, it has a lot to do with it didn't get much rain this year where I'm from, in California. All right, day 2, we're back here to put the finish on. This is what it looks like before, and this is after we put it on. And it's not gonna be quite that shiny when it dries. It's gonna be more of a really slight shine to it to match the one in the bathroom that was previously done. So I kind of like this stuff. It's kind of like putting down super sealer, I've noticed that the microfiber mops is the best to put this down. And I spray it the same way I do super sealer. And the stuff goes a long ways. 2 gallons for all this square footage. Almost, 1,500 square foot or 2,000. But yeah, learning experiences, guys. So. Yeah, we're gonna finish up this area here and work our way out. All right, guys, that's it. Typical, actually this was an easier than normal floor. Clean for saltail, terracotta type of same process. But different scenarios in that stuff, guys. So if you decide to get into that type of stuff, definitely take a course. Even more advanced in my course, okay? So I give you the basics on it. And I learned because there's different sealers. The only reason why I'm using the sealer that I use today, the finish that I use today, is because that's just what the customer used on the other floors, and I want it to match as close as possible. So I just, use that. So yeah, interesting product, but I like it because a little bit goes a long ways. All right, so John was riding with me for a few days on a ride along. So John.
A lot of information. The experience was cool. I learned a lot. I feel faster. I feel more knowledge. Feel more comfortable, confident. Feel good.
All right. You heard it.